And so traders, welcome back to the new Money Wave FX group channel. My name is Fiso Anatisibamba, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, sub and share and click on that notification bell so that every time I drop you get notified. Yes sir. Guys, my traders, we're back. We're back again with this challenge. You know, it's been a long time. I had this account, like I bought this account Friday evening. So I'm planning on trading it this week. It's time for us to look for setups so that we continue with a 2.5k challenge until we secure 100k funding with that equity edge. But for now, let's look for setups, you know. Yes sir. So guys, this is my setup number 1. See that? Number 2, you saw it. Number 3, you see that. Number 4, those are my setups. So currently right now, what I'm waiting for any of those setups that triggers first. Any from those setups that triggers first, I'm taking the trade. You know, I've prepared the trades. Also fundamentally, they support my bias. They support the bullishness that I see on the markets today. You know, they support. So yesterday, Donald Trump, Iran tweeted that they're ready to make a deal. Later that day, Donald Trump said that the deal will be signed either by him or will be signed by the Vice President JD. You know, so those were the good news. So what happened is that the market opened up with a spike when it comes to the dollar. Down. The dollar down spike. Let me show you guys here. Then gold showed up. Since the gold showed up, that's why we had AUUSD, GBP USD, Euro USD buying. That's why we're looking for bullishness when it comes to those setups because of these two. So that's enough for me. But guys, let's trade, man. Let's make money, man. Let's make money. It's time for us to grow, bruh. It's time for us to grow. So see you guys once I have a trade. So traders, my trading view reminder just opened, you know. I say that over here we haven't reached yet my 23% level. We're about to reach it now. So on my trading view, my trades are open, but over here on MT5 I got Volva. But let's just wait and see how it goes, man. See you guys once we open, man. I don't even want to chase this entry point. I might chase this entry point, then we didn't. Price reverses and close. You know what? Let me stop being scared for success. I'm just gonna open a trade now. As I told you guys, I decided to enter based off the analysis that I have on TradingView, not based off the analysis that I have on MT5. I'm gonna follow what TradingView shows me. I've prepared for this thing for the TradingView, so I'll have to trust it. I'm not even ashamed nor scared for the trade. I took this trade, I executed. I have no emotions involved in this trade, you know. So let me just show you guys. Alright, man. Also, as you guys also can see, the charts don't even match like that on TradingView and MT5 when it comes to equity edge. I want you guys to see this portion where you see that they are not matching, you know. So I need us to pass this stage 1. We have a 2-step challenge. I need us to pass this stage 1. We're not rushing the process, gang. I'm risking about how much here? I'm risking $41 to gain $200, you know. Nah, man, let me stop being negative. See you guys. What's up, traders? Good morning. I slept with the trades on. See what happened. See, we're running a loss of $51. You guys see that? We're running a loss of $51. And also I entered another trade.
which is this trade that I just entered. Which is this trade, which is the gold. I've entered gold, so I'll let these things run and see what I'm gonna do with it. Oh shit.
What's up, traders? Good morning. We lost the GBP USD trade. As you guys can see over here, we lost the trade. So currently now, I found gold. I entered gold. I entered the first gold positions, as you guys have seen. Now the second position I just entered. Now, based off the confirmations that we're gonna be buying hard today, if we lose also the trade for today, also, then it's fine, man. Maybe today's not my day, but the week is still long, the week is still fresh. We're in the second day of the week. So yeah, let's get it, let's ride a wave. I thought I should give you guys an update. Check how it's going. The trade is currently going well, I'm glad I entered gold. And also, guys, just check. This is the USD trade setup. GBP USD setup. You see, it took me out, then it went back to my direction, but it's fine. I don't have much to say about it, but we live and we learn. See you guys later.
Well, another update. We're still playing around at this moment, but at least with 3 bars up, So if you buzz up, it's just a waiting moment right now. Let's just see what price action's gonna do, bro. I don't want to talk much. I just want to let the market do its thing, man. I just want to let the market do its thing. I need to check my fundamentals. I don't know. I feel like something might happen,
As much as you guys can see, we don't have much of crazy headlines like that, We don't have much of the crazy headlines. It's just that Elon Musk type of thing, talking about like SpaceX and all that. But SpaceX doesn't affect us like that when it comes to currencies and metals, which is gold. Things like the Iran and the US war. I'm talking about them. Yeah, those are the ones that interfere with our trades too much. But today, as you guys can see, we don't have that much of news. Oh shit, FOMC, when is the FOMC? I think tomorrow, tomorrow we have FOMC, so look out for it. Also, look out for this one, Traders, I entered other positions again. I entered one position again. I just entered one position again. So yeah, I'm just gonna adjust my stop loss. I will tell you where I'm adjusting my stop loss there. Okay, so the reason why I'm adjusting my stop loss, it is because of, as you guys can see, we have a bullish order block, we have a fair value gap, which is an imbalance, and bullish market structure shift, as you guys can see. So the market came from lower low, higher high, lower high, higher high. It never created a lower low, so it comes to create another lower low before it can create another higher high, in which we can go hit that TP. Hit that TP. So my SL is below the third candle that started there, fair value gap. Over here, I'm risking $10. Over here, I'm risking $8. Over what the fuck? Yeah.
So it's 10, it's 8, it's 2. You already know how much is that. Calculate those and you'll find your answer. Then I will be done for the day. And I will be done from adding trades. So I'll just need to calculate properly for my TP. For my take profit, I just need to calculate properly. Then I'm gonna get rid of this one. I need to have clear charts. Then I'll just get rid of this. You see? So it's time for us now to continue with buying. Let's just see what's gonna happen when it comes to the next 4-hour candle in 36 minutes. I want you guys to see this, man. I really want you guys to see this. You know? So I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna play music and let you guys explore and view what price is gonna do. Because now my emotions are out of the trade, but I entered trades based off what I see, not what I feel, no, what I think, based off what I see. So what I see that the continuation for buys on an hourly time frame. You know, once I sell hit, we definitely know that we are bearish for the day, because we will be having a bearish market structure if SL hits. But if you continue buying, our bullish momentum continues. As much as they combine, we have combined them with that fundamental factor that we've seen from Sunday, you know. So yeah, from the fundamental factors, I mean the headlines that I just showed you guys, you know. So we have to continue. If price doesn't continue, then it's fine. This setup has failed for today. I should have taken profit when I should have taken, but trade what you see, not what I think or what I feel. Nobody wanna see us together, call it on matter, no. I got you, babe. Put us on everything. I got you, babe. You know I got you, baby. I got you, babe. Put us on everything. I got you, babe. Yeah. Nobody wanna see us together, call it don't matter, cause I got you, girl. Put us on everything, I got you, babe. You know I got you, baby, I got you, babe. Put us on everything, I got you. Hey. Nobody wanna see us together, call it don't matter, no. I got you. I got you. I got you. Call it don't matter, no. Nobody wanna see us together. Call it don't matter, no. I got you. We're in heavy drawdown. I don't wanna lie. I'm in a heavy drawdown. You know, I'm in a heavy metal drawdown. But I do not want to interfere. I do not want to interfere with my trades. I'm not one to interfere with trades. As I said, just what I see. And then, call it don't matter. I got you, babe. Photos and everything. Nobody wanna see us together, call it don't matter, no. I got you. I got you. Girl, it don't matter, no. Nobody wanna see us together. It really don't matter, no. Nobody wanna see us together, cause it don't. Nobody wanna see us together, cause it don't matter, no. I got you. I got you. Tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel. I feel nervous. What I see a continuation. I won't lie with you guys, nervous yet a continuation. But also another thing, what I'm thinking about, like, I should have taken profit by the time when I was in heavy profit, you know. I should have taken profit, but as I said, I hate to interfere my trades. I like to let the charts play out, let the charts do what they want to do, man. You know, let the charts do its thing. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna pause this shit. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Then I'm prepared to go to the gym. Yeah. So I'm up to the gym right now, you know. My gold trade is still running. So also, like, I kinda have a regret, like I should have taken a profit while the trade was in crazy profit, whereby I gained back the amount of capital that I lost, you know. But it's fine, as I said, I hate interfering in trades. I trade opportunities, you know. So since I trade opportunities, I'll have to make sure that I see things better. So I had to post my video, somebody was talking to me. So as I said, I trade opportunities, you know. So since I trade opportunities, here's what's currently going on with the trade. I want you guys to see what's currently going on with the trade, you know. So I'm just gonna let it be. Dog, emotionally, I'm already fine. We're hitting SL if we're hitting SL. Market reverses on us, takes TP, we're hitting the TP, you know. There's nothing I can even do about it but to be patient, because I've prepared. I told myself, I know what I'm trading. I'm trading prepared setups. I'm trading the plan. I'm trading the strategy. You know? We have days whereby we have winning days. We have days whereby we have losing days. And also, we have days whereby we can protect ourselves from losses that we see are gonna occur. You know. So I did my thing. So let me let the market do its thing. See you guys, man. We're back. This is how the current trades are running. You know, this is how the current trades are running. That's us. I don't even know how to explain this shit. I'm just gonna let it be, man, you know. I'm just gonna lock the markets. I'm just gonna lock everything up on profit break even. Cause I think 43, 23, 30. Let me just copy this. So I'm just gonna put everything on break even, gang. So it's better for me to put this trades on break even so that I can know that I'm definitely free. So that I know that I'm definitely free from what? From stressing about the setups, you know. So everything is locked. Everything is locked currently right now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or I'll see you guys on the next video, man. I think I'm editing this video over here so that I can see you guys on the next video. Thank you for staying and thank you for viewing. See you guys next time.